How are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I am fine. I am fine. Very much fine. So, how was your day, Pooja?
It was good.
It was good. Okay. So, basically, Pooja, we'll start with your introduction first of all. Tell me something about yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Pooja Arvind Vadhonkar and I belong to Yavatmal. I have completed my graduation in 2020 from Sipna College of Engineering in Information Technology and
Okay.
secured 64.54% and completed my 12th from Narayana Junior College in 2016 and secured 89%. Completed my 10th from Central Aloysius English Medium High School and secured 78.80%. Talking about
Okay.
my family, we are four members: my father, mother, my elder sister, and me. And my strength is I'm hardworking, positive thinking, and I keep positive thinking towards my career, and also hardworking towards my goal. And talking about towards my short-term goal and long-term goal, my goal is to get place in one of the company, and my long-term goal is to get place in one of the reputed company like yours, and where I can get to learn more new things. And that's all about me, sir.
Okay. So, Pooja, my first question to you is that you are from a BTech background. You have done
Yeah,
BTech in Computer Science Engineering. So,
yeah,
from BTech, why do you want to come to sales? You have ample options in your field.
yeah.
So, why Byju's? Why sales?
Sir, I think that in sales also we can make growth in ourselves. Not it's I know it's different than means I am from technical background and going towards sales. So obviously anyone will ask this question, but I'm not so good in technical skills. I feel myself that I can in sales field I can be more comfortable and make growth of myself. So I like to go towards sales profile.
But Pooja,
That's why I applied
you
to.
have invested 4 years in BTech, correct? So have you even tried for a
Yeah.
single company in your domain, in computer science domain?
No, sir,
You haven't tried.
not yet.
Okay. So how come
No.
sales? You have ample options apart from your core also. You have ample options in market. So why do you want to go in sales background? Do you have some experience of sales
Sir,
or
there we,
something?
no, sir, not experience, but I have a good communication skill. So I
You
think it will be beneficial for me the in sales. So I think I will be good here.
okay.
That's
So tell me one thing, Pooja, first of all, that what is the difference between sales and marketing? There are two terms basically, sales and
yeah,
marketing.
yeah.
So what is the
Sir,
basic difference between sales and marketing?
yeah, sir, in marketing, as like we have to tell people, we have to make aware people that these of the products have came in market, varieties are there, and we have to do advertisement. That is what marketing. And in sales, we have to sell the product. Means as like selling of goods and services, we say. So we have to sell
Mhm.
the product to the people. That's it.
Okay.
That is the difference between
Suppose
sales and marketing.
suppose if I'm
Yes.
giving you a job in marketing domain, so what will you prefer, sales or marketing?
Mm, sales.
Sales. Why sales? Why not marketing?
So as like in sales, we means suppose we have to sell anything, we have to convince the customers, and we have to convince the customers say about the product, and by that we can improve our convincing skill and also communication skill. Also, we can learn something new. Means new ideas, how to convince people, how to different types of skills you can learn from that also. So I will choose sales profile.
So do you feel you have good convincing skills to people?
Yeah.
Okay. So my first question to you is, suppose I am a deaf. Okay. I cannot hear
Mm,
anything. Okay. So
okay.
you have to sell me a headphones. So how do you
Okay.
proceed?
Mm, suppose you are deaf and I want to sell you a
I am deaf.
headphone.
I cannot hear anything. I am
Okay.
deaf from both the ears. And now you have to sell me a headphone. Try selling a headphone to me.
Sir, now suppose you are deaf also, you can means some kind of sound, some kind of music you will be able to hear. Suppose you are totally deaf, but music somewhat, or you will be able to hear, or by using that headphones also you can see some movie or picture. So I would like to say that by using earphones also, you can do it easily. Means the other peoples won't be disturbed also. And by sitting on any place, you can hear by using headphones. If you can't hear, you can get visualization, no? So if, by that you can understand. That's so I
Okay,
would
Pooja, tell me
like to
one thing.
prefer that
What is,
you would take the
yes,
headphone. Yes.
okay. Tell me one thing. What is the difference between audio learning and video learning?
Sir, audio learning is means we will not get visualization. We'll only as like we are learning, we are listening to songs, audio songs. We can say is
Okay,
same as like that. You can do audio learning also, but we won't get visualization. We won't be able to see anything. Means as like in real life example, we can say explanation of the diagram also. We won't be able to see. We will only be able to hear it. That is audio learning. And in visualization we will be able to see the total video, how the process
okay.
is going on and what is there. So it will be much better than audio. Video will be much better. That's the difference between audio and video.
Have you used the Byju's application in your phone? Have you tried the
uh,
application of Byju?
yeah.
Can you tell me three features of Byju's? Three important features.
Mm, the most important feature is that there is visual means by real life example, all the lectures are taken. And the most important is that you can take the lectures by your convenient time. You can take the lectures, and whenever you want to see, you can see it. So that's
Okay,
one benefit in that. Yes.
okay. I wanted three.
And third one is you can hire the teacher whichever you want, whichever teachers learning you feel means you feel comfortable and you are understanding it. From that teacher, you can get chance to learn. That is the third thing in Byju's.
Okay.
Yes.
Suppose Pooja, I am a person like I'm residing in Kashmir. I am from Kashmir, and you are a
Okay.
salesperson. You sell me a air condition in Kashmir. You're a salesperson of air condition. Like you have a shop of air condition. Sell me a air condition.
As like you are in Kashmir, so there is snow, and I know that we don't need air conditioner there. But suppose if now suppose it that that your home is somewhere so far that where there is no snowfall, and it's very much hot, so you can use that air
No,
conditions at your home.
my
Suppose
home
in
is
any.
near to a snowfall.
Yeah.
My home is nearing to a snowfall.
Okay.
Now,
That
now what's
yeah, your home is near snowfall. Then suppose your home is closed, means suppose one of the room is there
okay?
and which is closed. So so there you won't get that cold air, no. So you can use in room air conditioner and it will be good for you. Outside there is cold, but one of the room which is locked or which is closed total day, in that you can take the you can make use of air conditions.
Okay.
That way you can use it. So I will
Okay.
prefer you
Pooja,
to take air conditioner.
cool, cool, cool,
Yes.
good. So I'll tell you one thing, Pooja. See, suppose like I and my wife and my child, we are three people
Okay.
in a family. Okay. I am myself a lawyer. My wife is a doctor.
Okay.
Okay. And my
Okay.
child is a student in class fifth. Okay. So we
Okay.
both teach him very good way. Okay. And he's already a scholar. So why do I go for Byju's? Tell me one thing. Why do I go for Byju's?
Sir, as you said that your child is good and good in studies, and she is scholar also. So
Yes.
as she is in fifth standard, and as now she is suppose she is studying from books and going to college and having traditional education. So I can say that instead of means instead of doing that, or instead of giving your time to your students, she can also learn from Byju's. And from Byju's, she will get to learn real life examples, and by that her concept will be more clear. She is scholar, I know, but in suppose now she is scholar in her class only. She'll learn from Byju's. She will not get the only limited knowledge from that. She means suppose now all over the world any exam education and that type of learning Byju's is providing. And also now your wife is doctor and you are teacher, you said, so you be able to give her much time. So by Byju's will be very useful. And so I would like to say that you should join Byju's app for your child. Yes, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Tell me one thing. If suppose I am using a Vedantu application, and after
Okay.
using Vedantu, my child is doing very well in the studies. Beforehand, he was like getting 70%, but after getting
Okay.
Vedantu, after taking Vedantu, basically he is getting 92%, 95%. Okay. So why should I switch to
Okay.
Byju's?
Mm. Sir, as for now, I don't know what are the applications of Vedantu, but it's also online learning. I know it. But in Byju's, as we compared Byju's and Vedantu, so Byju's is one of the top leading company and educational field over the world. So you know that it is top a leading company. So by seeing the all the background means all the reviews of it, all the functions of it, and all the features, you will switch to Byju's only. I have that much confidence that if I advertise you Byju's app, so you will switch towards it because it is top leading than Vedantu. That's it.
Okay. So basically, you want to tell that there are some features which Byju's are having better than Vedantu, right?
Yeah.
So from that
Okay.
features, you're telling that is better, is far better than Vedantu, correct?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, but tell me one thing. See, my child is a kind of student that he wants anyone to sit beside him
So your voice is
every. Am I audible? Okay, so Pooja, tell me one thing that my child is a student who wants anyone beside him to make him study. He cannot study alone through application,
okay.
through videos. He cannot study. So why will I take Byju's? Because Byju's will not help my child to learn because he wants someone beside him every day so that he'll learn. So why do I go for Byju's? Why should I take Byju's?
Yeah. Okay, sir. Sir, as you are saying that your child, he wants someone beside him to learn. So, as Byju's is providing Byju's is teaching towards 3D animations and by visualization with real time example. So, as your student doesn't to watch videos alone, so that Byju's is the app for that only to make the students interest to take students interest in their studies and to means he will not get bored by watching that videos and learning alone. He will develop interest in himself watching day by day means as like he will watch every day. So it will automatically build interest in himself and by that visualization by watching that all he will be interested by himself, so he won't need anyone beside him. So
Okay,
as slowly he will learn it, he won't be that weak and he will get interest in learning, so it can help
okay,
that way. Okay.
okay. But tell me one thing. Suppose I have two children. Okay, my
Okay.
one children is already using Byju's. He's studying from Byju's, but
Okay.
unfortunately he failed using Byju's. And you are at my home to sell Byju's for my another like child. So
Okay.
now what is your call? Why should I take Byju's? My child already took
So
Byju's and he failed.
okay, and he failed in exam.
Exactly.
Okay. Sir, in which class your child is?
See, my child is in fifth class who took Byju's, and now
Okay.
like you are offering me for class seventh.
Okay. Sir, as your child failed in hello, hello,
Yes,
am I
Pooja.
audible?
Yes, you're
Sir,
audible.
as your child is in fifth standard and he got failed, so might be some reasons that he won't have understood the concepts, or he might have not given this test so that he can get many more examples that how questions will be asked in paper. So it can be one of the reason, or might be he might be lacking in some of the studies and some of the topics. It can be the reason why he got failed. It's not necessary, that your one child got failed so other will also get failed. So I think that you should try for your other child also once again
But
by
see, Pooja,
using Byju's.
I'll tell you
Yes.
one thing. Beforehand, he was scoring 70%, but after
Okay.
using Byju's only, he has failed. So you are offering me for second child. So if he also fails in this class, what should I do? Why should I go for Byju's in this case?
Yeah, sir, you are right. That means why should you go? But sir,
Yes.
it's not it's not like that. No, that your one child got failed, so other. So you should give him one chance at least to see that how is the teaching and what not. If he got interested, and obviously that he will join and he will score good marks. So I think that
Okay.
you should join. You should take the Byju's app and you should join it. So I think I'll
Okay.
suggest you to take it.
Okay. So Pooja,
Yes.
I have a last question for you. Why should I hire
Okay.
you, Pooja? What external
Uh,
benefits you have for other guys, another employees, other candidates?
So as for that, I think for Byju's means for BDA profile only. That I have the skills as like in Byju's we need the means it is online teaching app usually, but in BDA we have to sell our Byju's app. So I think that I have the convincing power and also the communication skill, which will be beneficial for you and your company also.
No.
Also will be growth of the company.
Okay.
That's it. So I feel that you
Okay.
should
So
have.
Pooja, I'll tell you the
Yes.
profile also. Like, see, we have a complete field job. Okay. You have to work on field. You have to go to customers' home. You have to sell the
Yeah.
item by going to customers' home. Okay. So it is basically a 9 to 9 job. Okay. Basically a stressful in which
Okay.
you have a target, in which you always have a pressure of targets. You have to achieve the targets. You have to achieve it at any
Yes.
cost. See, your working is 5 days. You get 2 offs. But suppose your targets are not achieved in that 5 days. So you have to work for 7 days a week also. In that case, you have to work
Yeah.
7 days a week also. So are you comfortable with this particular profile, with this job?
Yeah, sir. I'm comfortable.
So how will you manage the stress which we are providing or which the targets will be given to you? So the stress which you will have. So how you manage the things?
Sir, as you said that some of the targets will be given and you should achieve it on the time. So
Exactly.
as per now that suppose we are getting training. First of all, after joining, we'll get a training. Then
Absolutely.
in that training, you can get some skills that how you have to manage, how we have to do your work. So we can learn from that. And if we manage our work on time within the day and we complete our targets. Suppose 1 2 sales are there and we have not completed, then the next day you can do it. And as much as you will do it by interest and all as much you will try to understand easily, it will be more easy for you to manage. So you will not be stressful in that time. So
Okay.
suppose, yeah, yeah, yes,
Yes, yes.
yes.
Yes, go ahead, go ahead. You're telling something. Go ahead. Speak it.
So I think that suppose I will not complete my work in one day, then next day I'll switch it. But next day I'll complete my target, and until and unless don't complete my target, I won't leave it. So it won't give me stress till the end.
Okay, that is a good spirit. I
That's
like that spirit. So Pooja, I'll do one thing. So we have already done with the interview. Okay. So we'll
okay,
review
sir.
the interview. Okay. And we'll get back to you for
Okay,
second round. If you are selected, we'll definitely get back to you for that. So give us 2 3 days
sir.
time and we'll definitely get back to you. Okay. Thank you
Okay,
for your
sir.
time, Pooja.
Yes.
If you have some question, you can definitely ask me right now.
Okay, sir. No question, sir. No doubt.
Okay, cool. Thank you
So
for your
when
time,
will
Pooja.
when will I get my results?
In 2 3 days, Pooja. We'll get back to you. If you are selected, we'll definitely get back.